you're
No,
working
no, no.
on this is your
No,
workshop,
no, no.
but
I just want to see and have, give you the opportunity to just sort of, I know what it's like to be frustrated by having these ideas and knowing or thinking that there might be somebody else out there that's like, hey, I'm doing something similar. Well, I never thought of that. Or, it's just sometimes it's easier if you see
yeah,
something.
totally.
So, anyways, so just putting it out there. I guess so. You're with the precious plastic people, and I
Right.
love the technology and the awareness, about doing things. I'm trying something that's not quite precious per se. That's more of a, there's a lot of this stuff out there. Looking at the
Yeah.
consumer side, yes, we use a lot of plastic cups. I don't even want to give credence to the idea that this is a viable option. We can just keep using plastic and recycling it and making pretty things, and it's okay. It's all okay.
Yeah, no.
It's the single use,
Have to do that.
sensibility, has got to be, I think, um, rethought. Um,
Yeah.
that said, I'm also a very lazy person, so I'm gonna look for something that can do the biggest bang for the smallest buck. Um,
Word.
so I just see this
So do you clean your plastic?
what's that?
Do you clean it? Do
Plastic?
you wash it?
No, 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 fuck no. I'm the laziest man.
Okay.
This is mulch that they use. Well, can you? Yeah. There we go. I think that's good. This is used in the agricultural industry in annual production.
Oh yeah.
So you've seen it before. It's very thin. This is like maybe 100, 200 pounds will cover an acre. So it's really light, really, really light. And historically, there's very little that you can do with this post use.
Right.
There's little bits of crap on it. There's whatever dirt. You're not gonna get it back to a precious state very easily. But being lazy, I don't care. I take it and I take all these strands. I basically this gets folded up a couple of dozen times, I guess. Tell me if you can see if and then I put it into that silver foil there, a baking, something like this. That looked a little better, right? And so it's just sitting on the bottom here, and I probably have video of it. I just pour hot sand on top, and the weight of the sand will push down, and the heat from the sand will just push down all these layers, and they'll basically fuse together. Now, this is ugly as I know that. I know that. This is just, but what I have gotten was just someone taking a bunch of sand and throwing it into layers of this. You have now this solid material. I mean, it's
right.
Just out of this, right? So you can make a hat. I mean, all sorts of things you can do with it. But that's the question. What is it? So, and the idea is that you can build multiple layers on top of each other. Just get it as thick as you want.
Okay.
Of course, I would go. Here's another thing: is you can get thicker stuff. Here, this is again still in the agricultural industry.